So to most easily be able to use the IPA symbols that we have in English but that aren't already on your keyboard, this is the website to go to, ipa.typeit.org. And so what you can do is, if it is already on your keyboard, you can just type it directly onto your keyboard. And then if you don't have it already as a keyboard letter, then you would be able to click on whatever symbol, it'll show up here. And so what you can do, so if you're trying to write church, for instance, keys are already on your keyboard, so you just type that, and then you end up with something that looks like church. And you can do this for any of the symbols that you need. So you have things like the ash symbol, you have your voiceless dental and voiced dental fricatives, the horseshoe U, the wedge, the zh sound, the glottal stop, schwa, our eh sound, the short capital I, so that you're not using a full capital I because those often look like an L. You have your sound, the open O, and then our upside down English R as different options, but you can still use this to type any of the other letters that we actually have in the IPA that are also on your keyboard. So an easy way to do this is to type the entire thing. So if I'm putting the word fox, I can just use the letters that are on the keyboard. If I need something that's like cat, then I can click on the ones that I need, and then you can copy and paste the entire piece. So you can type most of it in here, and then you can just copy and paste the entire thing over to your assignment. So hopefully that helps and gives you an idea of how to use the website.